It's officially Black Friday, and there are some awesome deals going down in the car detailing industry. I compiled a list here. We're gonna go through it and highlight some of those so you guys don't miss out. Some of these will be running all the way through Cyber Monday. Some of them end a little bit short. I'm not gonna touch on how long they run. Just go to their website and check it out for yourselves. Now, if you guys missed it, I did a Black Friday Home Depot video as well as a Black Friday Harbor Freight video. Go check those out because those are both, all those deals are still running. Now with that said, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the list and get it started with an absolutely exciting deal. Number one is going to be from Active Products, guys. The wonderful makers of the Active 2.0 electric pressure washer. This guy here, something that we all love, gets amazing performance at a fantastic price. They're running a deal, 10% off their stubby wand, the 2.0, and then 20% off the VE52. So fantastic deal. Check out the link down in the description. Head over there and get your deal because that's fantastic. I mean, it's one of those ones everyone wants anyway. If you can save 10 to 20%, might as well do it. Now up next we have Maxshine. Maxshine's running some kind of piece deals. So right off the bat, they have a 60% off deal going on their Pro Polishing Pack. I think you get 5 different pads and then a bunch of microfibers as well. Guys, pads for your polishers typically run 10 to 15 bucks in that in that range. So just right there alone, the deal is fantastic. It's coming in around $34 or something like that for the whole pack. So great deal there. Everything else, if you use code IMJOSHV15, gets you 15% off everything else. I don't think it'll stack on top of the sales, but might as well give it a try, I'm not sure. Next up, for some premium microfiber products and awesome detailing kind of tools, AutoFiber is running a deal. They have 15% off site-wide or 25% off if you spend over 250 bucks. So fantastic deal there. And that brings me to a quick point on my personal website, DTLRsupply.com. It's DTLRsupply.com. I am running a deal right now, 20% off across the board on my site, except for some products from the Rag Company, but I do stock a lot of products from AutoFiber. So if you're, they're doing 15% off and 25% off over 250. If you're not gonna spend $250 worth of products, then 20% off on my site is better than the 15. But both are fantastic deals, right? AutoFiber is a fantastic company. I love their stuff. The barrel blade, the mitt on a stick, the scrub ninjas are fantastic tools. The little knit mitt glove that I always use for cleaning out my wheels, good stuff. Now from there, we'll go on to some premium brushes and Detail Factory. Guys, they make those awesome detailing brushes. They're doing 25% off on their site. Now, moving on from there, we're gonna go to Gyeon. I love some Gyeon products, guys. Again, I have some of these available on my site as well. Just the few products that I personally use from them all the time. Gyeon Bathe is fantastic. Bathe Plus adds some SO2 protection. Tons of good stuff. They are running a sale up to 25% off on their website. Different products are gonna have different deals, so go check out their site and see what, if you're looking for some specific products from Gyeon. Again, I have 20% off on my site, but they may have some deals that are better than that. Next up, Giraffe Tools, guys. These are the guys that make the extendable auto-retracting hose reels and pressure washer units. Fantastic little units for the DIYer. Are they professional grade? I know there's been some videos online talking about very negatively about them. I will tell you right now, I've met tons of professional detailers that are like, yeah, I use that thing, it's great, it's fantastic. I don't need something more than that. It does a great job. The auto-retracting hose is fantastic. So I'm a big fan of theirs. I love their products. Let's see here, they are running up to 30% off on their site. Again, link down in the description for you guys. Go check that out. Next up is Turtle Wax is running a fantastic deal, guys. Up to 50% off of their products. I'm gonna flash up a few examples here. This is just from their Instagram page, but they have a few kits that they're doing. As you can see, huge discounts, really good deals. I think everyone loves some of the Turtle Wax products. They're readily available everywhere, so that's one of the reasons they're so popular, but they make fantastic products. They've been around forever. Moving on to Lithium Car Care, Auto Care, the Lithium elixirs. I think they changed the name, I'm not sure. But Lithium makes those little trim cubes, restoration cubes. Those things are amazing. They come in a little pack and they are a little foam block with the protectant or restoration product on it. I love those things, guys. They're really good. They're normally $39 for the pack. Currently on sale for $29.25 or something like that. But they are running deals up to 60% off on their site. So go check them out. They make tons of cool products, and I am a fan of their products, especially those trim cubes, guys. Those things are awesome. Moving on from there, and again, sorry, I don't think they call them the trim cubes anymore. They just call them a trim restoration kit. So just so you're not confused, it'll be in a little black bag, so you can find them that way. Mckee 37, 40% off on their site. perfectly honest with you guys, I haven't used much of their products, so I don't have any specific things to tell you about. But if you are a fan of their products, they are running 40% off, which is fantastic. Next up, Buff Brite products. These guys are awesome. They make some super, like, it's one of those things you're like, man, why didn't I think of this, right? Basic type of products, but super innovative at the same time. Really, really cool stuff. The for real attachment for your vacuum that picks up dog hair works amazingly well. That thing is so cool. I love that thing. Now they have the I don't know if it's the Pro or the Max, whatever version, but it's a thicker version, works longer. It really, really good products there. They also have the flamethrower, the lights that you can attach to your polisher so you can do your corrections and have light specifically on the panel where you're working. Really, really cool. They're running deals up to 50% off. They actually have a new really long vacuum extension. I actually have it over here. Hang on, let me grab it. So I've got a couple items from them here, guys, but this is the new item from them. I believe this one's 50% off, but this is a vacuum attachment, and it's like, dude, nothing is safe. You can get this thing under every little crack and crevice. It's a nice thin opening. Obviously, you have to be careful. You don't want to suck up anything too big because this is so narrow, but you do your normal vacuum, throw this thing on there, get in there, fine tune. This is detailing at its best, guys. You get the details done with this thing. Also, like I was saying, they had the original for real, and then they had the Pro. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see this here. We can see the texture here. This thing's awesome, but not the thickest. And the new Pro is like, I mean, look at the teeth on that thing are way bigger. So it's just gonna last longer. And then they also have this guy as well. So you can actually, pull everything a lot faster. Tons of teeth on this one. Fantastic tools, Buff Brite. I'm a huge fan of theirs. Just, yeah, great products. From there, we're gonna go over to DetailDepot.co, I believe. It's my good friend Mike, awesome guy, and he has a deal going off, 25% off site-wide, I think, except for pressure washers. So go check out his site. Now, P&S Detail Supply products, guys. They make some fantastic, fantastic products. The one that I've just started using that is my now go-to for carpet and upholstery cleaning is their 3-pack. It's the, I believe it's called Terminator, Carpet Bomber, and then Finisher. So you get an enzyme treatment, a basic cleaner, and then a peroxide treatment that helps prevent stains from coming back. This stuff works amazingly well. I love that whole system. They are running 30% off on their site. That was one of the ones I saw. I think it runs till Sunday night. I don't think that goes into Cyber Monday. Car Supplies Warehouse, guys, is running. They've been running deals all week long, and they've been specific to the day. So go check out their website. I don't remember what it is today, tomorrow, and Sunday and Monday. But go check out their site for specific deals per day. The guys over there are awesome as well. I got to hang out with them a little bit at SEMA this last month. Really cool guys. Go support them as well. And from there, DIY Detail. The boys, Nick and Ivan, awesome guys as well. Also got to hang out with them a bit at SEMA last month. Really, really good guys. And they are running a deal. They've been running 25% off, but I just saw an Instagram post that started for Black Friday through the weekend. They're doing 30% off, I believe. So 25 to 30% off, really, really great deals. Some fantastic products from them as well. Their sprayable polish is fantastic. Sprayable just makes it really nice because you're able to prime the pad easy. You're not just putting it in little spots. You just spray it on there, saturates the pad, you get to work. All right, guys, now on to our last 2 deals. Meguiars is running a deal, 15% off site-wide off of their, I think it's meguiarsdirect.com or something like that, where they're actually selling direct to the public. So 15% off site-wide and then free shipping over $99. And then 3D products. Guys, they're the ones that make 3D Speed, my favorite kind of all-in-one polish and protectant with the glazing. It's a fantastic product. It's a real moneymaker for me. Creates a fantastic finish really, really easily. And they're running 25% off their site as well. So that's it, guys. I hope that video helps you. Go get those deals. Again, if you missed out on the Black Friday videos that I did for Home Depot and Harbor Freight, go check those out. Fantastic deals there. Again, DTLRsupply.com. We're doing 20% off on my site. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all have a great Black Friday and wonderful weekend. Once again, please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you all in the next one.